Hi, this is a full body Pilates mat workout. We'll be doing several varieties of spine twist, spinal flexion, some working sets for leg strength, and of course, plenty of ab work. I'm Tucker, welcome to McCrazy Fit. I'm glad you're here. Let's get started. Let's stand tall at the edge of the mat, feet hip width apart, and we'll begin by rolling down into a forward bend. Inhale to prepare, exhale, let the head lightly drop, and begin rolling down bone by bone. Letting the upper body hang. Inhaling at the bottom, and we'll exhale our way back up, slowly rolling until we're standing up straight again. Inhale at the top, exhale, lightly drop the head, shoulders, upper spine flexes forward, and then hangs. Inhaling at the bottom, exhale, slowly rolling up. One more. And this time when I get to the bottom, I'll bend my knees until I could place my hands flat on the ground and walk out maybe 3 steps, letting the knees float over the mat. I want wrists under the shoulders and knees under the hips. And exhale, press back. Imagine wrists, elbows, and shoulders, hips being in a straight line, keeping the knees bent. Let's inhale back to the 4-point position with the knees still floating, and exhale, press back. Strong shoulders. Good, back to start. One more time. Strong shoulders, exhale. Inhale back. And into our 4-point stance, knees on the ground now. And toes no longer tucked. Inhale into spinal flexion. Exhale into spinal extension. Keeping the shoulders strong. Again, inhale, spinal flexion. Lift the ribs up to the ceiling. Exhale, spinal extension. Point the chest forward. One more time. And exhale, spinal extension. And come to a neutral resting place, pulling in the belly. And let's just remove the hips from right to left. Shoulders stay still, strong arms. Nice movement in the hips and the lower spine. And come back to a neutral resting place. Let's take the left arm and loop it through. Here we go. Exhale, keeping the hips square to the mat. Reaching the left arm through. Nice twist in the spine. And bring it back. And now right arm. So the weight shifts to the left hand. Right arm reaches through. Hips stay square to the mat. And bring it back. Good. Left arm. Exhale. Reach a little farther. Inhale it back. Last time. Right arm. Exhale through. Reach a little farther. And bring the left hand to the middle of the mat, straighten the right leg, and let's pivot onto our left knee. Right arm up in the air. We're going to reach it long, like a bird's wing, keeping the arm straight and flexing over. A nice strong left arm, fingers still pointed out. Good, nice steady breath. Last one. Great, and arms still up. Now give me a little bit of flexion, a little bit of lateral flexion, reach long and back. And again, reach long with that arm. And back, good. Again. Last time. Good, now we're gonna go up to both feet. Here we go, both feet side plank, and down and up for 10. 2, 3, 4, not bouncing, nice and controlled. 6, 7, 8, 9, good, last one. 10. Drop the left knee, let's come around to a sitting position. Keeping the knees bent. Sitting up tall, really trying to pull in the lower belly. Arms in front. Exhale, rotate to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the right. Good, let's continue doing that. I'll talk about a few things. Feeling a lot of engagement here in the lats. Keeping those shoulders back. Keeping the hips stable. Knees, feet in line with the hips. Just twisting at the spine. Sometimes I find having the knees bent helps to keep those hips stable, even though we're going to step that up in a bit. Here's the last one. Good, and a modified spine stretch forward. Let's move into spinal flexion and back. And again, exhale. So not hinging at the hips, just flexing with the spine. Let's have the knees at the height of the elbows. And then we're keeping those elbows at the same height as they travel over the knees and back. Same movement we started the workout with the forward bend, where we didn't begin with the hips. We began by rolling at the upper spine. Good. Last one. And let's combine those movements. Modified saw, we'll exhale, twist to the left, and then spine stretch, back and center. Good, and to the right. Twist, spine stretch, elbow over the knee, and back. Let's keep going. No movement in the hips. Good. 2 more each side. Feel the lats. Keeping the shoulders back. Sit up a little taller. Here's the last one. Good, back to center. Drop the arms. Bring the arms behind the body, fingers pointed back. Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades, lift the chest. And exhale back. And one more. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale back. Okay, let's straighten the legs. We're gonna up the difficulty. Arms folded in front. Here we go. Exhale, twist. Inhale back to start. Exhale, twist. Inhale back. Let's keep going. A little harder to keep the hips stable with the legs long. Watch for the feet pedaling back and forth. That means the hips aren't stable. Let's sit up a little taller. Pull that belly in. Sit up a little taller. All right, keep going. One more each way. Twist a little farther. Last one. Twist a little farther. Good, spine stretch forward. Inhale back. Spine stretch forward. Don't hinge over at the hips. Upper spinal flexion. One more. And bring them back. Drop the arms. Roll the shoulders. Let's put that all together into the saw. Here we go. Hug a tree. Inhale to prepare. Sit up. Pull in the belly. Exhale, twist. Spine stretch. Reach for the foot. Up and back. And other way. Twist. Spine stretch. Reach. Trying not to hinge at my hips. There's a bar right here. I'm reaching over the bar. I'm not falling into the bar, reaching over it. Let's keep going. Good. Sit up a little taller. 4 more. Twist a little farther. Reach. Back. Twist. Reach. Back. Last set. Reach. Good. Back. Drop the arms. Roll the shoulders. Still reaching the legs long. If that's too difficult, we could bring them in. Legs nice and long. Arms out in front. Feeling the engagement in the lats here. Half roll down. Let's exhale. Tuck the tailbone. And begin rolling bone by bone. Keep the shoulders back. Stop halfway. Inhale. Exhale, come up. And inhale straight. And again, exhale, tuck the tailbone, roll down. Pause, inhale. Exhale, hinge at the hips up. And inhale back into straight. 3 more. Exhale down. Pause, inhale. Exhale, hinge up. Inhale, straighten the spine. 2 more. Good, last one, here we go. Hold on, pause here. Put the elbows down, forearms on the mat. And stay nice and strong in the shoulders, feeling my lat and shoulder muscles, keeping my chest up high. Exhale, lift the left leg up into tabletop. Inhale back down, and right leg. Let's keep going. Pulled in at the belly, nice and tight. Even though the butt's resting on the mat, nothing's sagging, nothing's drooping down. Everything's staying nice and tight. Let's keep the left leg up. An internal, external hip rotation. Gently rotating the foot back and forth. Waving hello to the wall. Imagine your thigh is against a pole, so thigh is not moving. Just the hip rotating in and out. Come back to center, bring that leg straight, other leg up, and internal, external hip rotation. I can go a lot further externally. It's the foot coming across the body, then internally. Thighs nice and straight. Thighs staying still. Last one. Good, bring that down. Let's keep those legs nice and straight. Flex the quads, pull in the belly. Here we go. Exhale, lift a straight left leg up. Inhale it down, right leg. Exhale up. And down, good. 10 total. Straight leg. Belly's pulled in. Not jerking. Nice and smooth, flexing up. And resisting nice and slowly down. Good. 4 more. Strong shoulders. Last one. Good. And then let's curl up just a little bit. Release the arms, bring them in front, and we'll roll all the way down. And keep the straight arms moving up overhead. Inhale, exhale, bring them back down, and let's curl the head all the way up. Inhale straight, exhale, tuck the tailbone, roll down. When the arms are perpendicular to the ground, inhale and bring them up overhead. Exhale, bring them back. Curl all the way up. Good. And back down. Let's do that again. So this curl here is the same movement as the spine stretch forward, same movement as the forward bend that we began with, just flexion in the upper spine. So I'm looking for the same movement in all those. Let's bring this up a step. As we curl up, bring that straight left leg a little bit off the ground. And curl down, the leg can come back down. Arms overhead. Exhale, bring them back. Curl. Straight right leg comes up. All the way. Sitting up nice and straight. And bring it down. Again. Left leg. Inhale, exhale, roll back down. Right leg. Sit up tall. Great job. One more each side. Strong core. Straight leg. Excellent. Last one. Okay, let's stay up like this. Let's bend that right leg. We're gonna pivot, right hand on the mat, pivot over onto the right knee. This will be the side series on the other side. I'll swing around. On the right knee, left leg straight, right hand down, fingertips pointed out, left arm up, and twist it forward. And back, keeping the hips pointed forward, twisting at the spine. Like a flapping wing, strong wing, opening up the shoulder blades. Last one. Good, and now reach long and back. A little bit of side flexion. 3 more. Steady breath. Strong shoulder. Good. Last one. Okay, keep that arm high. Right leg straight. Come down and up for 10. 2, 3. Tight in the core. Strong shoulder. 7, 8. 2 more. Good, stay up. Rotate, right hand down, or left hand down, right hand over, both hands on the outside of the mat. 5 push-ups. We can go down on the knees if we want to, but we're gonna make them hard. Here we go. Inhale, slowly down. Tap the chest, exhale, press up. Inhale down. Exhale up, good. Hands in close to do more triceps. Bring them out wide to hit more chest. 2 more. Nice and slow, tap the chest, up. Last one. Slow, tap the chest up. Let's walk the hands back. We can bend the knees. Knees are bent. Let's straighten the knees. And rolling all the way up, back to where we started. But somehow, we're a little further ahead. If you enjoyed the video, support the channel by liking and sharing. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra charge to you. I'll leave you with my full Pilates playlist and see you at the next workout.